Hello, welcome to this tutorial channel. Today we will see how to draw OTAMATONE. I will start by drawing two straight vertical lines. Next, we will draw the face with two curved lines. Now we draw the smile with a curved line. When painting, we will leave a blank space so that the eyes shine. Next, we make the cue of the musical note. Well, we have finished drawing Tralalaero Tralala OTAMATONE, and if you want, you can color it. Okay, that would be all for this tutorial. If you liked the video and it was helpful, don't hesitate to leave me your like, your comment, and subscribe if you're not already. I would really appreciate it. See you in the next drawing.